I'm redoing some of my older videos just because, for lack of better words, they're shitty. They're like 4 years old, bad audio, bad lighting, bad personality, I'm not gonna lie. And not only that, there's just some information that I've learned along the way that is not accurate back then. So we're gonna be revamping some of my old videos. What we're doing today is Trader Vic's Planter's Punch. If you're not new to this channel, you've heard me tell you I love tiki cocktails. Trader Vic's Planter's Punch is amazing. Enough jibber jabber, let's make a cocktail. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get some crushed ice into our glass. So we're gonna take our Lewis bag, an ice mallet, or a ice bat in my case. I love this so much more than a mallet, mainly because, well, where's my mallet? That's down there. The mallet just kind of hits little spaces and it's like here, then here, then here, whereas my ice bat just hits the whole thing across and I get more surface coverage with this. I like this better. I might put a link in the description below how to pick one of those up, if I remember. So let's get some ice in our Lewis bag. And one more. All right, we're gonna roll that up a little bit and commence to beating the shit out of some ice. Had a bad day at work? Make tiki cocktails. Work in retail, have some pissy customers, make tiki cocktails. And we have some crushed ice. Now, you can use a tall Collins glass, something like that. I'm using a Tiki Leaky from Oak Wash. Oak Wash makes some amazing tiki mugs. They're all handmade. Not only are they handmade, each mug is touched up by hand after the first, whatever they call it, due to them. Yeah, look at that. We're gonna set that aside while we fix our drink. Now, what's really weird about this cocktail, unlike most tiki cocktails, well, pretty much all of them, this one is not shaken, it's stirred. You know, James Bond, shaken, not stirred. But we're gonna, I don't know why we're doing it stirred. I don't know. Because Trader Vic said so. That's all I got for you. Because Trader Vic said to stir the shit, so we're stirring the shit. So we're gonna start off with a dark Jamaican rum, something with nice, bold molasses flavors. Hamilton Jamaican Pot Still Black is the perfect rum for this cocktail, in my opinion. It's got those nice, strong molasses notes onto it. It's pretty bold. And this is gonna be a boozy drink. We're using 3 ounces of this rum. Or maybe in my case, I missed it. Maybe 3.5. It doesn't really matter at this point. No. We're gonna do a 1 ounce of lime juice. So 1 ounce of some fresh lime juice. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of grenadine. And as always for grenadine, we're using our Monin sugar-free pomegranate syrup. Hey Monin, if you're watching and you'd like to sponsor my channel, I buy way too much of this stuff in the almond. It'd be cool if y'all sent me some. Just saying. So a 1/2 ounce of this. So it's gonna be slightly sweet, slightly tart. More tart and sour than the other side. And this is where the last thing comes in, is gonna be from RXSugar, some allulose. It calls for a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Now, I find for me, it's still a tad bit sour. So I'm gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of a sweetener. And this, my bar spoon, is 1/2 teaspoon. Now, if you like those sour cocktails like my wife does, just keep it at the 1/4 teaspoon. So we're gonna add some ice to here. And give this a good stir. So as you're stirring, you wanna go about 30 revolutions one way, 30 revolutions the other way. I don't know where I heard that. I don't know, maybe I'm making this shit up. I don't know. But I thought I heard somebody say 30 revolutions and then 30 revolutions the other way. Because I think I read that somewhere, it's stuck in my head. Then again, it might have said 30 seconds. I don't know. I'm 51 years old and I forget a lot of shit. What you want to do is you want to stir enough to where your glass, you can, like, by the touch, you'll feel it get cold. And we'll strain that into our oak wash leaky tiki mug. Now, traditionally, this drink was just garnished with straw. And we will do that. We have ourselves a Surfside Sip glass tiki straw. And, you know, why not? Let's throw a little bit of mint on there. When you're using mint as a garnish, you want to clap it, slap it on the edge of your glass, whatever. Wake up some of the oils. That's where the aroma is really coming from. It's going to be coming from the leaves, but you kind of have to break those veins very delicately to, ooh, there it is. There's that mint smell. So there we have Trader Vic's 1940 something, I don't know. Long time ago before my time, Planter's Punch. That's a boozy drink. Tart. So if you, even with a half teaspoon of sweetener, it's still a pretty tart cocktail. So if you like a tart cocktail that's just really full of flavors, like I said, this Jamaican pot still black from Hamilton, it smells straight up like molasses. It's crazy how there's no sugar added to this, so zero carbs. Ed Hamilton does a great job blending his rums. This is just some really, really good stuff. So, cheers. Oh man, that's awesome. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. Click the bell icon, because when you do that, every time I put a video out, YouTube's gonna send you a notice. Hey, Frank put a new video out. You might wanna go watch it. That's it for me, guys. Y'all have a great day, because when I'm finished this Trader Vic's Planter's Punch, I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later.